welcome to Cook Eat Wonder. Today we are going to make Cajun potatoes. If you have ever been to Barbecue Nation, you know what this dish is about. It is everyone's favorite and can easily be prepared at home. So let's get started, but before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me first walk you through the ingredients. We need 15 baby potatoes. You can use 3 regular potatoes instead, just cut them into 8. We'll be using them along with the skin, so make sure to wash them really well. We need some salt, some red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a cup of mayonnaise, some onion flakes or onion powder, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, that is pizza or pasta seasoning. These 3 ingredients are very important for this recipe. If you want to buy them, I'll provide the link in the description box. 1/4 cup of chopped onions, some chopped coriander leaves. We'll start with boiling our potatoes. Into a pressure cooker, I'll add in our baby potatoes. Add in sufficient water so that the potatoes are completely immersed. Add in about 1 teaspoon of salt. Put on the pressure cooker lid. Pressure cook this for 2 whistles. Now while that's getting prepared, let's prepare our Cajun sauce. For that, into a bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, followed by some red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. Add some salt as per taste. We will add some dried herbs like pizza or pasta seasoning. You can even use the leftover seasoning if any from your previous pizza. I'll add about half a teaspoon of it. Now add in some garlic powder. I have provided the link for all these in the description box. I'll add about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by some onion flakes or onion powder. Add about half a teaspoon of it. Now using a spoon, I'll combine everything well. So our Cajun sauce is ready. Let's keep this aside. So our pressure cooked baby potatoes are ready. Now using a masher, I'll slightly press them. Do not apply too much pressure. Make sure to use light hands here. Similarly, I'll do the same with all the baby potatoes. We need to retain the shape here, so make sure you don't apply too much pressure. So that's done. Add all the baby potatoes into a mixing bowl. Dust 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now gently toss them. Make sure not to break the potatoes. So they are ready for frying. Let's heat up a pan. Add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We'll be shallow frying our potatoes. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in all the potatoes into the pan. So that's done. Now we'll let them fry undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes or until the base turns crispy. It's been 4 minutes. Now let's flip our potatoes one by one and let the other side cook. So our potatoes have turned nice and golden from both the sides. I'll take them out into a serving plate. So our fried potatoes are ready. Now we'll spread our Cajun sauce on top. Gently spread the Cajun sauce all over the fried potatoes. Now we'll add in some chopped onions on top. Followed by some chopped coriander leaves. Also sprinkle some Italian seasoning. So our Cajun potatoes are ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.